Most times, some fish farmers ask if I can recommend any drug that can make their catfish grow faster within a short period of time. Well, I will not like to recommend the use of drug in aiding fish growth, but will rather prefer giving you tips on some good management practices that can enable your fish grow faster, especially with regards to feeding the fish with high quality feed of enough quantity. Do regular sorting to reduce competition that may affect the growth of some fishes. These will help you have big and healthy fish rather than using drugs to make them grow faster. However, all these are still subject to the quality of the fish in question, because some fish farmers tends to make the mistake of buying fishes that are not of good breed that may not grow well, probably due to the price at purchase or other cheaper means. In this case, there is nothing that can make them change their genetic makeup and allow them grow big overnight, which is why I will advise that you dispose them off, because if you choose to keep feeding those fishes that you already know will not grow big, you may be running at a loss, for the amount you will later sell them can never compensate for the amount in raising them. Below are the right things to do, or let's say the proper management strategies to carry out in order to enhance the growth rate and productivity of your catfishes, thereby leading to earning more profits to the fish farmer. 1. Proper stocking management. Stocking a pond is the act of introducing fish fingerlings or seed stock into the pond for rearing. You must be aware that your stocking density greatly affects your fish's growth rate, as catfishes and other fishes in general require adequate space for them to perform and grow better. Therefore, overstocking your fish ponds in the name of trying to raise more number of fishes will not only affect the growth and general performance of your fishes in the pond, but will also cause you a great loss as the fish farmer. In summary, overstocking should be avoided at all cost if you intend to get your fishes to perform better and grow faster for you. Stocking rate. This is the act of introducing viable fish seed into ponds for rearing at a specific number per square meter. Stocking density. The total number of fish seed stocked per surface area of the pond. A defective stocking rate may result in either overstocking or understocking. Overstocking. This occurs when the carrying capacity of the pond is exceeded in respect of the number of fish seed stocked. The effect of overstocking is low growth rate due to competition for space and food and low yields. Understocking. This often refers to underutilization of capacity. It occurs when fish seed stocked is far below the carrying capacity of the pond, resulting in wastage of resources, space and expended feed.